Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. In today's video, we'll explore how to register on MEXC, a leading cryptocurrency exchange, and share some incredible benefits you can enjoy by using our exclusive referral code 12K4M5. MEXC offers a user-friendly interface along with a wide range of trading pairs and exceptional customer support, making it a favorite among crypto enthusiasts. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, MEXC has something for everyone. Step 1. To get started, the first step is to navigate to the official MEXC website. Step 2. Once you're there, click on the Register button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a secure password. Make sure to choose a strong password to protect your account. Important security step: email verification process. Once you've done that, you will receive a verification email. Simply click on the link provided in the email to verify your address. This is an important step to ensure your account's security. Step 3. Entering the referral code, unlocking exclusive benefits. Now, here comes the exciting part when prompted during the registration process. Be sure to enter our referral code, 12K4M5. This crucial step not only helps you secure exclusive benefits, but also rewards you with special bonuses that can enhance your trading experience on the platform. Once your account is verified, you can start depositing funds. MEXC supports a variety of deposit methods, so you can choose what works best for you. Soon, you'll have access to various trading options, including spot trading, futures, and more. By using the referral code 12K4M5, you'll not only make the most out of your registration process, but also enjoy perks such as reduced trading fees or even bonus credits, making your trading adventures more profitable and enjoyable. So, if you're looking to dive into the world of cryptocurrencies, don't miss the opportunity to register on MEXC. Use the referral code 12K4M5 today and take that first step towards an exhilarating crypto journey with added benefits. Thank you for joining us at Crypto Kickstart. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more informative content about cryptocurrency trading. Happy trading!